Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the inorganic coating. Inorganic coating is defined as these coatings are produced at the surface of base metal by the chemical or electrochemical reaction. That means inorganic coating is the chemical conversion of coating in which surface atoms of metal are converted into its compound, which turn act as a barrier between underlying metal and corrosive environment, and our base metal is prevented from the corrosion. That we are going to call it as a inorganic coating. These coatings will increases the decorative effect and it will increases the corrosion resistance of a base metal. In practice, there are two types of inorganic coatings are there, that is anodization and phosphating. Now we are going to discuss about the anodizing or anodization. Anodizing or anodization is defined as it is a process which a protective active oxide is formed chemically on metal is called anodization. In the anodization process, a protective passive oxide film is artificially produced on certain metals in oxidizing bath. Here, the metal is converted as a anode. It is artificially converted as a anode. In the electrochemical theory, we studied that the metal which is acting as an anode, it will undergo corrosion. Here, metal is dipped in oxidizing bath. When the metal is converted into artificial anode, it will undergo oxidation and it will produce the metal oxide. That metal oxide film is deposited over the surface of base metal, and this oxide film is produced by the on the surface of base metal by creating that base metal artificially anode. That's why it is called anodization. Here artificially oxide film is whatever it is created, it is acting as a barrier between environment and metal surface so that metal will not undergo corrosion. For example, anodization process is anodization of aluminum. In the anodization of aluminum, the anodization process is mainly used for the non-porous metals like aluminum, zinc and magnesium and their alloys. That means those will produce the non-porous oxides layers. Anodization of aluminum, it is carried out to produce a non-porous coating on the surface of aluminum article. The porous coating is obtained by anodic oxidation. The electrolysis is conducted in the acid bath at moderate temperature 30 to 40 degrees Celsius using moderate current density, in which base metal is made as anode. The commonly used baths are H2SO4, chromic acid or phosphoric acid solution. Here aluminum article is taken and here we are going to create the oxide film on the surface of aluminum article by artificially. This aluminum is dipped in sulfuric acid tank and it is converted to the anode terminal of the battery, and one inert cathode is used so that here our aluminum part is acting as an anode and it will undergo oxidation. By the oxidation of aluminum, it is going to produce the aluminum ion. That aluminum ion is going to react with water and it is going to produce the aluminum oxide. This aluminum oxide is deposited over the surface of aluminum article. This oxide film is created on the surface of aluminum article by creating this aluminum as an anode artificially. That's why it is called anodization. and whatever by the oxidation of aluminum, whatever the electron are obtained, they reaches to cathode and they are going to combine with H plus ion and they are going to release the hydrogen gas. But at the oxidation of anode, it will going to produce the aluminum ion and it is going to react with water and it is going to produce the aluminum oxide, and this aluminum oxide film is deposited over the surface of anode, that is aluminum base metal. This protective layer aluminum oxide is artificially created by making aluminum article as a anode. Whatever the aluminum oxide deposited on the surface of base metal aluminum, it is a porous in structure, so that further corrosion may take place. In order to seize those porous structure, we are going to dip that aluminum oxide containing metal article into hot water, so that it is going to produce the hydrated aluminum oxide. This whatever the aluminum oxide is deposited over the surface of aluminum by the anodization, it is having the porous structure, so that further corrosion may take place. In order to avoid that, this artificially created aluminum oxide is going to dip in the hot water, so that aluminum oxide is converted into hydrated aluminum oxide, and this hydrated aluminum oxide layer deposited over the base metal, it is highly non-porous in structure, so that it is acting as a barrier between environment and metal surface, so that it will prevent the corrosion of base metal. The application of anodization are used for the hardware, in the elevator and office partitions parts. This is the anodization. By using that, we are going to prevent the corrosion of base metal.